Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about this video because I will show you how I made these 3 beautiful Valentine's Day decor pieces, and each of them cost me $3 or less. And if you would like to see how I make them, please keep watching.
Broken hearts, but I believe in coloring the world.
First one up is this beautiful love sign. The things that you're gonna need for it is this sign that I got at Dollar Tree. Then you're gonna need some contact paper that you can buy at the Dollar Tree as well. I had this one left over from lining my shelves. Then you're gonna need any scissors or X-Acto knife and a pencil. First thing I'm doing is I'm taking off the tag and as well the hanging rope because I'm not gonna use it that way.
Get my heart in trouble.
Next, I put my sign on the back side of the contact paper and started tracing the letters.
And we come to life.
If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really like if you could do that. It would mean a lot to me, and also don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos.
To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, oh, oh, oh.
Next, I will be cutting out the shape of the sign.
Sing a tune, giving my life this hope.
When you're all done, if you see any imperfections, you can cut them out with the small scissors. And now I'm taking off the back of the contact paper and sticking it on to my sign.
And I can feel us flowing. To the sky, to the moon, and making my skyline brand new. You, oh, oh, get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, oh, 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 you get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, oh, 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 get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, oh, oh.
When it's all done, again, if you see any imperfections, you can definitely fix that with small scissors. And that's all you had to do. For my next decor piece, I used the piece of wood that I had laying around in my garage. Then I used a little bit of sanding paper and this wall decal that I got it at Dollar Tree. And if you remember from my Valentine's Day haul, there's a half of it missing, and that's why I got it for 50 cents.
Of the brave we behold.
First thing I'm doing is I'm sanding off edges a little bit just to make it a little more rustic and old looking.
Come serenity. Take it over, take it all. Fight the fury with peace. Oh, come release. Angels cross the borders. Demons gonna run. Tell all folks about the burning fire in our hearts. Find all destinations named with a gun.
Next, I'm using my pencil to enhance that part of the board that I want to look even more old.
Take it over, take it all. I believe in freedom. Take it over, take it all. Come serenity. Take it over, take it all.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and that will mean a lot to me because I will be able to figure out what kind of videos you like to watch on my channel.
I call on love. I call on fire.
Now the only thing left to do is to put the sticker wherever you want it.
I call on love, I call on fire, I call on peace, oh, I call on a higher power. I call on love, I call on love. Take it over, take it all. I believe in
For my third project, I used some cardboard that I had from my daughter's diapers. Then I used a pencil, my cutting tool. Then I used this pink yarn that I got from Joann's. Originally it was $5.99, but with a coupon it cost me only $3. And also a bowl. I used the bowl to trace the circle shape. And then I used the smaller one to make the inner circle. And this is what I got, a ring shape. Next, I am drawing these two lines where I'm gonna cut to make two long rectangles. After cutting it out, this is what I'm left with.
you hear them calling.
Now I'm gluing these two long pieces to create an X.
Feels like you're falling.
Next, I'm wrapping my yarn around these two pieces until they're all covered in yarn.
And over, you cry yourself to sleep, and you're colder, much colder. If only you could see.
It may seem like it will take forever, but it only took me 30 minutes to finish it all.
Just the way you came, don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all
And this is how they look all finished.
will go bolder. Now set your
I really hope you enjoyed watching my video, and I hope you liked these decor pieces that I made.
then they will ever be.
I absolutely love the way they turn out, and they look gorgeous on my shelves.
Just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment, tell me which one of these is your favorite. Share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn notification bell on, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.